Right, this is called the service flap on a Bosch washing machine dryer, and I need to undo this to find something that got lost in the washing machine, and the instructions are awful for Bosch washing machines, so I thought I'd film it. Before you undo that, you have to undo this pipe, unclip it from here, and then this plug comes out from this black pipe, apparently. So I think if you twist it, it's a bit easy. If you twist this white piece, it's a bit easier to get it out of the black pipe because it sticks quite a lot. Okay. So I'm trying to pinch it shut. I've got a little yogurt pot here, and I've got to let the water out. Whoa. Right, there's a lot of water. Maybe this would be more suitable. Yeah, it's quite a lot. So you need a container, otherwise it will go all over your floor if you just undo the grey part. So altogether you're looking at, I think this container is probably about half a litre if it was full up. So you're looking at about 400 millilitres of water, so quite a lot. So let all the water out, push that plug back in, make sure it's secure because you don't want water to leak out next time you use your machine. And now I'm going to undo this. Whoa, you've still got water coming out. Not a very good design, is it? Bloody hell. It's quite a bit. I did put a plastic bag down to try and catch some of the water as well, but yeah, it's going to make a bit of a mess. And now I can withdraw this, and there's any more water coming out. It's a really crap design. Bloody hell. Okay, it's rubbish. Right, so apparently, after reading the instructions, that nothing from here does come out. You just have to make sure that this is clean. That's an impeller, the bit at the back, which must be able to turn. So it's hard for me to show you, but it does actually turn. And this is how much water comes out. So it's like half a litre full. Really, it's quite a lot. So you need a proper container to drain it into. Anyway, so make sure that's clean, then do that grey thing back up, and that's it. I have to say the Bosch is a pretty terrible design all round.